Reprecincting and redistricting has never been easier than before. Using this system, you can manage your precincts and council and commissioner districts. Under the precinct editing, there's a tab for census blocks, precincts, council districts, and commissioner districts. Under the census blocks, in some cases, you may need to split a census block. In order to do so, you'll select a census block and then use the split block to either cut this census block in half or follow some particular geography like a municipal boundary, a river, or some other major feature that's allowed by Indiana code. We'll first set up our application so we can best use these tools. First, we'll want to turn off the roads that are on top of the precincts. Next, we'll want to dial back the transparency so we can see the roads below the precincts. Finally, we'll want to turn on the census blocks. Under the Precincts tool, if you want to move one census block to another, in this case we'll use Bloomington 02, make it the active precinct, then select the census block or blocks that you would like to move to Bloomington 02. After selecting, right-click and assign to Bloomington 02. To change this back to Bloomington 04, if you made a mistake, select Bloomington 04 and right-click and assign to Bloomington 04. Additionally, on this toolbar, you can select a precinct and then zoom to that particular precinct. We can create new precincts, or we can see a distribution of the voters within all the precincts in your particular county. For your convenience, we have added a line at 1,200 voters. As you hover over a particular bar, you'll get the precinct name as well as the number of registered voters within that precinct. Lastly, you can attach documents to any precinct by first selecting the precinct that you would like to attach the document to and then click the Add Attachment. Then you'll want to browse to a particular file. Find a picture or a document. And then click the Add button. To delete a file, simply select it and then delete the file by clicking the Delete button. Under the county council districts and the county commissioner districts, we also have a distribution graph of total population. The same process in which we did reprecincting applies to the districts, except in this case we're selecting precincts instead of census blocks. This concludes the video on reprecincting and redistricting. If you have further questions, please submit a comment using the feedback button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Thank you.